Hello everyone, let us read out today's thought. A person who cannot improve has no right to complain, and when a person can improve, then he never complains. Children, we teachers are always telling you that you should study sincerely, regularly in order to get good marks. The child who does not want to show improvement in academics, that person has no right to do complaints. But the one who is determined, hardworking, that child will show remarkable improvement in studies and that child will never complains. Right? Here is an activity which will explain the solubility of carbon. Three conical flasks are taken and take kerosene, water and cooking oil separately in each flask. Half spoonful of coal powder is added in each conical flask and it is stirred with the help of stirrer, and then do the observation. In which of the solvents, water, kerosene and cooking oil, does the coal powder dissolve? Coal powder does not dissolve in all these solvents, that is water, kerosene and cooking oil. What inference will you draw about the solubility of carbon? Carbon does not dissolve in water. It is soluble in organic solvents such as ether, benzene, alcohol, etc. Reaction of carbon with oxygen. The activities is listed here. Ignite the coal. Hold the moist blue litmus paper over the gas released on igniting the coal and note down the observation. With which gas in the air does the coal react on igniting? Carbon dioxide gas will be formed as carbon reacts with oxygen from air. What is the substance formed? Carbon dioxide is formed on the reaction of coal with oxygen. What change takes place in the litmus paper? The moist litmus paper turns from blue to red in color. Write down the chemical reaction taking place in the above procedure. Carbon plus O2 is equal to CO2. Solid carbon which exists in coal form C, and the state of this carbon is solid state. O2, it is in gaseous form, so you have to write G in bracket. Arrowhead, CO2 gaseous substance, means it exists in gas form, CO2 carbon dioxide. So this is the reaction, C plus O2 gives CO2. Moist blue litmus paper is held on the fumes when coal is burnt on the flame of burner. Moist blue litmus paper turns red. Take freshly prepared lime water in a test tube, blow for some time into the lime water through the straw and observe the lime water. What did you see? On blowing through the straw into the lime water turns milky white. What might be the reason behind the change? Carbon dioxide, CO2, from the exhaled air turns the lime water milky white due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. Here insoluble calcium carbonate is formed, and that is why lime water becomes milky white. Lime water has formula CaOH by 2 aqueous phase plus CO2 gas is blown into it. It forms CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate, plus water. Now let us study carbon dioxide gas. It has molecular formula CO2. Its molecular mass is 44. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of constituent elements. Carbon has atomic mass 12 and oxygen has molecule atomic mass as 32 because two oxygen atoms are there in O2. 32, 16 into 2, 32. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 Dalton. Melting point is minus 56.6 degrees Celsius. Occurrence: carbon dioxide occurs in the air in the free state to the extent of about 0.03%. Exhaled air contains about 4% of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is present as a salt in chalk and Shahabad tiles or marble or limestone. CO2 is given out in the combustion of wood and the fossil fuel coal. Here is the method which explains laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. Apparatus required are retort stand, round bottom flask, thistle funnel, gas delivery tube, gas jars. Chemicals required are calcium carbonate, pieces of Shahabad tiles or marble pieces or limestone, and dilute hydrochloric acid. Assemble the apparatus as shown in the figure. Place calcium carbonate in the round bottom flask. Add dilute hydrochloric acid in the flask through thistle funnel. See to it that the end of the thistle funnel dips in the acid. CO2 gas is formed as a result of reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Collect the gas in 4 to 5 gas jars. The chemical reaction is as follows: CaCO3 plus twice HCl gives CaCl2 calcium chloride plus water and CO2 gas is released. Watch the video which will help you to understand the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide.
Children, I am going to show you today laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide gas. This is round bottom flask, this is glass jar. The assembly is set up like this. In a round bottom flask, I am adding sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is also called as washing soda. This is hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid I am adding to round bottom flask containing sodium carbonate. A reaction will take place between sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid and CO2 gas is passed through this bent tube. It is collected in this glass jar. If a burning candle is placed inside this glass jar, let us see what will happen. The burning candle extinguishes. This indicates that CO2 gas neither burns nor supports burning. This is freshly prepared lime water. If I pass CO2 gas into lime water, what will happen? The reaction has been stopped. Let me add sodium carbonate powder and dilute hydrochloric acid one more time. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water will turn milky. Do you see the bubbles coming here? This is carbon dioxide gas which is formed here as a reaction between sodium carbonate and dilute hydrochloric acid. Lime water turns milky due to the formation of insoluble precipitate of calcium carbonate. Let us prepare one more time carbon dioxide gas by adding sodium carbonate into the round bottom flask and dilute hydrochloric acid. The gas is collected in the glass jar and it is collected due to the upward displacement of air. This is a blue litmus paper. Let me moist it by dipping in water and let us see now the color changes from blue to red or not. CO2 is soluble in water. Carbon dioxide dissolves in water to form carbonic acid, a weak acid, and you can clearly see now blue litmus paper has turned red. So here carbonic acid is formed. See the color change. Blue litmus paper has turned red. Clear? Let me add few drops of water into it. Weak carbonic acid is formed here, and if I add few drops of universal indicator solution into this, yellow or orange color is seen. Weak carbonic acid is formed here and the pH of this weak acid, carbonic acid, ranges from 3 to 6. So children, we have seen today laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is formed due to chemical reaction between sodium carbonate and dilute hydrochloric acid. It is formed due to upward displacement of air. We have seen when burning candle is placed into the glass jar containing carbon dioxide gas, the burning candle extinguishes. This proves that carbon dioxide neither burns nor supports burning. Thank you.